So thank you very much. Oh, attention, Joe's Crab Shack!
What?
We have a very special guest in the house today. This is Janus, and he's turning 12. Can we give him a round of applause? Alright, so he told me that he's always had a dream to become a professional bus driver. So here at Joe's, we make dreams come true. So while we sing him happy birthday, he's going to drive around the restaurant, and he has a very special message for you guys. So join us on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you.
It's his birthday.
Happy birthday to you. It's his birthday. Happy birthday from Joe. Happy birthday to you. Stop.
Beep, beep. It's my birthday.